This man is based in South Africa. Currently, he is in the remand prison. He was arrested on the day of Congress, but he's in remand prison. And you know, an accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mr. Sox Chigovero. Secretary for Devolution and Provincial Affairs. Another veteran, member of the opposition, and a lady from the Midlands. I think it's Gokwe or Sanyati. Miss Trena Rojizo. Secretary for Special Projects and Party Business. No rest. Mujamba Jecha Mara. And well, with the responsibility in the national executive, we expect you not to be jumping the Jechas too much. He is a very, very astute businessman and a logistician. That is his profession. He's a self-made business person, and he hails from Mzimbo area near Chiwesha there. Secretary for Gender is Miss Isabel Simango. Ladies and gentlemen,